Hello everyone, welcome to part 3 of Laravel 10 tutorial in which we are making the basic admin panel in Laravel. Okay, so I will tell you about the integration process in which we are going to integrate the admin panel template, HTML template to our Laravel structure. Okay, so one by one, we will do one step at a time so that everything will look easy. Okay, so let's start. Uh, I want to tell you that under video description, under every video, I have given you the complete details that you can easily follow. So first thing is that we are going to create the admin folder. Okay, so we are going to create the admin folder under public. See, this is the AdminLTE template, and I will also open here uh, my folder htdocs. Here it is, project 10. Okay, so under public I am going to create the two folders under public. One is the admin and one is the front. Okay, front I am going to do later on, but right now we will concentrate on admin. So under admin we are going to create further folders like css, js, images. Okay, so we are going to create css, js, and one more, images. Okay, so these are the folder that we have created. So after creating this folder, see files, we are going to copy from AdminLTE to these folders. Okay, so I will open the AdminLTE template that we have downloaded in the last video, and here we can open this folder, and here you can see css, so we can copy all. See, one more thing we can do, we can simply okay, so that is fine. I am going to copy this one, and here open this css folder and we'll paste all css. Then I will copy all js from AdminLTE template to our js folder. Okay, and finally I'm going to copy all images as well to the images folder here. Okay, so now in the next step we are going to copy the plugins folder. Okay, so plugins folder, I'm going to check the plugins folder. Here I'm going to copy this folder and we'll paste inside the admin folder. Okay, here we are going to copy the plugins folder. Okay, so next step is we are going to create admin folder under views. Okay, so now we will start working on the blade files. Okay, so like I have shown you the structure in the first video, the header, footer. So we are going to create the blade file like this complete structure. Like if we will talk about this complete structure, see this one, this complete structure. For this complete structure we are going to create the blade file like layout.blade.php file. Okay, so this is the layout.blade.php. We know that in Laravel all the files will be blade file. Okay, so this one is layout complete, and this one header blade file. Okay, header blade file, footer blade file. Okay, this one is the sidebar blade file. So we see for every section we have the blade file, footer, header, sidebar, and for the middle content, see middle content will vary, like the dashboard blade file will come up here. Okay, dashboard. So like this the middle content varies. So when it will come like products, if we are if we will do the e-commerce website, then there is the products blade file. Okay, products, we are going to make the products. And see users blade file, user blade file is for all the websites like dating, e-commerce. Okay, so it's mandatory users blade file. Okay, we are going to create the blade file like user blade file. So its content is the main content will come up here in the middle part, but its header, sidebar, footer will remain the same. Okay, so these we are going to add header, layout, everything in the layout folder. Okay, so first of all we are going to create the admin folder under views, under sources views. I'm going to open here resources, and here it is, resources and views. Here inside this I'm going to create the folder admin. Okay, so under admin folder I'm going to create the folders, further folders, like yeah, under admin folder I'm going to create one more folder, that is layout folder. Okay, so layout folder I'm going to create here under admin, and under layout we are going to create the files header.blade.php, footer blade, sidebar blade, and layout blade. Okay, first one is the layout blade. Okay, so in Mac I will create the file like this, with the touch command, but if you are in window you can simply go inside the folder, and you know how to create the files inside windows under folders. Okay, so here in Mac I'm going to create the file like this. First file I'm going to create, that is the layout.blade.php file. Okay, layout.blade.php, and the second one is the header.blade.php, and the third one is the sidebar.blade.php. Okay, so we are going to check this file here. Header layout, one file is left, that is the footer.blade.php. Okay, so now we are going to see all four files have been created that we require. Okay, so let's check the next step now. Let's go there and next step. Okay, so I am going to here we'll see the template. This is the template design. Okay, HTML of the home page, of the dashboard page in fact. Okay, so here I'm going to copy this one to the layout blade file. Okay, so I'm going to open here the layout blade file. First of all, first thing is I'm going to copy the complete HTML to the layout blade file. I will copy this one and will paste it here. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I will also open the other files like header.blade.php. I will open the footer.blade.php. I will open the sidebar.blade.php. Okay, and one more file I'm going to create, and that is the dashboard.blade.php. And dashboard file we are going to create here inside views, here view. Okay, inside admin. Okay, we will keep it outside layout but inside admin. Okay, here I'm going to make another file, that is the dashboard.blade.php. Okay, so now I'm going to copy. See, for header part I'm going to I'm going to make this navbar. This navbar I am going to put inside the header. Okay, so this complete navbar we are going to cut from here and we'll add in header, like I have also told you in the last video that we are going to do it like this. Okay, so always our content must be aligned. Okay, so I'm going to save it. Okay, now in layout here we are going to include here include, and this file is under admin, then under layouts, then under layout. Okay, what is the folder name? Let's check it once. It's the resources, where it is, resources, views, admin, then layout. Okay, admin, layout, then header. Okay, so this sidebar content we are going to add inside the sidebar. I'm going to cut it from here and we are going to add it inside the sidebar. Okay, so here we are going to add this. Okay, we will align it once. Okay, so now here also we are going to add here the sidebar like this, layout sidebar, and this is the middle content, and this one will come inside the dashboard. So I will cut from here and it will come inside the dashboard. I'm going to open the dashboard file that we have created earlier. Okay, dashboard.blade.php. Okay, and I'm going to copy it here. Okay, and here to see. Okay, so this is the dashboard, and here we are going to use here the yield, as this content vary from page to page, so that's why we are going to use here the yield. Okay, so after this main footer, so this content we are going to cut from here and we'll add inside the footer.blade.php file. Okay, so we are going to add this content here, and here also we will keep here the same include, and here we're going to add here footer. Okay, so after this we are going to correct the paths here. Okay, we're going to correct the path. So in next video we are going to create the paths here. Okay, we will create the admin controller as well, and we will also create the route for the dashboard page, so that everything we are going to do in the next video we can able to see the admin template in our Laravel website. Okay, so that thing we are going to do in the next video, so please stay tuned for that. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.